Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you the super nice kitchen cabinet or console cabinet that this brand sent to me for this video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove everything I have here. And actually, I'm going to take the advantage that I have this new one and I'm going to clean a little bit. But I do want to show you how kind of like nice and stylish this one is. And by the way, the assembly process, everything is explained here. Just have some patience. That's what I will kind of like say. It's not complicated at all, but have some patience because there are a lot of parts, lots of bolts, lots of things that you will have to take into account when doing this one. I do kind of like advise to have it in two people, like do it in between two people, and also having the chance to do it with power tools as well. It took us an hour. I want to say that this one took us an hour between two people just because there's so many kind of like parts. And by the way, this one, it's still wrong. This table actually goes to the other side, so you don't see the bolts, but we kind of like realize when we kind of like finish. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover it with some stickers, but this one, rest assured that you don't see the bolts if you pay extra attention to the instruction manual. So I'm actually gonna move everything in clean, but before I want to show you something. So before I put a ton of stuff right here on top so you can see how many things you can do, I do want to show you that this one is 55 inches wide. And I was just telling you before, it has this really nice kind of like stylish vibe, stylish look. And even with the doors, you can see that these are fluted. So it looks really good. And even with the golden accents on right here on the drawers, which by the way, the drawers right here, you can see that these are super, super smooth and cool. You have two big drawers, two extra big drawers, as well as two extra big kind of like doors right here with a magnet that also has kind of like spice racks right here. The spice racks are super nice to have. This is a really nice addition. So this is going to be a fully committed kitchen cabinet that you can put a lot of things. And also you have the middle shelf as well as the shelves inside. You can remove them if you want. So that is a really cool thing. Let's actually do something else right here. Move everything along and put all the stuff on top of it. Okay, so we have it all sorted out right now, and you can see that it looks much better than everything that I had before here. There's so much more space because this one is about 55 inches wide by 35 inches tall and kind of like 15.5 inches wide. Also, as I was just telling you before, comes with super smooth drawers with a golden accent right here on the handle. And this is really cool. This is what I was kind of like telling you before. You have enough room here to put all your appliances or coffee makers or air fryers, like that one, for example. And right here, you have a space for racks for, you want to put some spices, you want to put some snacks, you want to put some like jelly, jam, things like that. You can put it in here. But remember that you need to leave some space right here to be able to close it. That's why this one is kind of like on the side and just not fully front. Because the other thing that I really like about this one is, let me show you. This right here is actually the magnet, I need to be, oh no, right, the magnet is right here, perfect. So the this one right here is another drawer. Check it out. So you can put some like the coffee stuff. You can put all the coffee beans. You can put the ground coffee. You can put some tea right here, tea leaves or things like that. And just make sure that that one is within easy reach. So that is really cool to have. But then check this out. Yep. This right here, it comes with light. So that is really cool. I have to say that is super cool to have, and it looks fantastic. Even at night, it looks really cool. But then let me show you another secret of this one. Check this out. It comes with a power outlet that you will have two ACs, one USB-A and one USB-C. So in this case, I have the lights plugged right here in the USB-A, but you can just plug them in the wall if you want and just use the fully advantage of this one. This is really cool for putting appliances and just make them, so for example, like a coffee maker, you will have the power outlet right here. So I gotta say that I think this one looks terrific. It looks with everything you need and all the things that you will have within easy reach every day here. And of course, a huge platform to put all the appliances and everything you need with the drawers, with the doors, with the cabinet, with the drawer, with the light, and even more space to keep putting everything you need every single day. I like it. I do recommend it.